sport bike riders. Are you looking for a phone mount for your sport bike because the handlebar mounts just don't work for you? We have this right here, and we'll show you how to get it, how to install it, and a ride afterwards to show how it works out for you. We'll be right back. Alright guys, if you drive a sport bike, you know what the problem is. You just can't put a phone mount on your handlebars. There's just not enough room. So this is where this comes in. This little baby here is about $28. You can get it on Amazon. We'll put the link below. But we're going to show you how it works and how it goes together. So basically when you open the box, you're going to get this. You will get a different end available as well, which will be for an action cam if you prefer to do that instead. But what we're going to do is we're going to put that there, put that piece on there. This piece will be mounted in your triple tree of your bike. This part will go over top, snug it down a little bit, make it easier. This part will go in like so. Tighten it down. What you're gonna do is get this, drop your phone in. It'll currently be locked in your triple tree like so. Put this rubber piece in there. This is pretty stable as it is, but these rubber bands actually just help it more so it doesn't slide out. But once you have it locked down, that's pretty secure. That's not going to go anywhere. Your phone is there. And now we're going to show you how to install it. It's pretty easy. Alright, what we need to do is make sure that this base will fit in that hole. And usually it's about 13 millimeters. And all you need to do is get one 5 millimeter Allen wrench, loosen it up a little bit, and that should drop right in the triple tree. Make sure it's down all the way. Tighten it down a little bit. Then give it a little snug fit. Give it a pull just to make sure that's not going anywhere. And now with that in place, you're going to want to put that in here, and that on there, and tighten it down. Once you got it a little snug, move it where you need to move it. We'll put it there for now. Get the rubber around the corners of your phone. Line up your handlebars, line up your phone, get one tiny tug. There you go. Alright boys and girls, let's give this a try. Yeah, I use this nice little app here called DigiHUD. Gives you a little information, if you guys can see it. Your average speed, max speed, your trip B, what your time is, your direction. I usually flip it over this way so I can get a full screen of it. So I've had this mount for a while. Now I'm just going to give it a review because I know it works pretty good for me. Never had a phone fall off. So that's a good thing. It has a slight wiggle that you won't see, but if you were doing a selfie, like filming from your camera in selfie mode, then you'd notice the vibration. It could just be the phone not being able to take it. But as I said earlier, this mount also has the ability to be used as an action cam holder. Yeah, since I have a different sprocket in the back, my speed on the speedometer isn't exactly accurate all the time. So that's why I use the Digi HUD, and it's a little bit easier to see since I'm an old ass. We're gonna drive down to the old expressway here just to see how good this bike setup works, because I don't know how good everybody can hear me. This actually isn't a vlogging bike. This is actually for this is a microphone headphone setup that you get when you get a new phone. So it's not actually made for this. I just have a piece of like foam over top of the earpiece, and it's tucked in a little spot in my head, in my helmet. We'll hit the old expressway here just to see if you guys are still able to hear me at a higher rate of speed. Like here, I kind of doubt you will. At this current RPM. Drop that speed down a bit. That's alright, I'm going to get the guys that enter racers here. He's actually pitched in my left, and he can't pass me right now. I'm not really in a hurry. Come out, this is rock solid now. Yep, hopefully the film's still going right now. I got a small SD card in there. I'll have to switch it out to a bigger one later. I already knew the mount was going to work. I just had to get some footage for you guys just to prove it to you. This should work with basically any phone, as long as it's not a super small phone, because I think the rails on it would just go around it. But yeah, this holds my, I have a S8 Plus, and I've never had it fall out. And sometimes if I'm just going on a short trip where I'm not like going over a high rate of speed, like 55 at least, then I don't even have leads on there. I just put it in, drop it in and squeeze. But if you're gonna be riding a while, I'd put the little rubber pieces on there just to protect the phone from sliding out. But yeah, I'll make sure I put the description, not the description, but well, yeah, the description of the app and the name of it in the description below, so if you guys want to get the speedometer app until I